In this video, I'll show you how to check pinned messages on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guys and contents like this. Now, a lot of Discord administrators or Discord server owners might want to pin a particular message. So as once people join up, they can be able to see the message that has been pinned. So what we're gonna do basically, for you to be able to see pinned messages, you're gonna click right here, right? Once you click on it, yeah, not this, sorry, not this. You need to scroll up. Once you have scrolled up, you're gonna see, you can see this, right? So this message was pinned right here. So check any message with pin like by the side. So this message is a pinned message, right? So this is how you can check pinned messages here on Discord. So if you find this very helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.